Material important stress and strain problem, solution of 10 MCQ questions. So first one is question, a stretch in a steel rod of circular section, okay, having length L subject to tensile load P and tapering uniform from diameter D1 at one end, diameter T2 at the other end. So a steel rod of circular section, okay, having length L subject to tensile load. So tapering uniform is a tapering, okay. So diameter E1, D2, tensile load is P. So in this conical bar, answer is 4PL by E T1 D2. This is the standard formula. 4BL divided by E D1 into D2. Okay, the tapering section. So next question, the total extension of a bar loaded as shown in figure. In figure, A is a cross section area, E is a Young's modulus is a given figure. So first to draw the free bar diagram of given diagram. So left side is 10T, right side is, so 3 is tensile, compressive, tensile. So total tensile is 12 minus 2, so 10T. Next free bar diagram, middle one, this is the one, second one, third one, this is the one, second one is, so 10 minus 3, so 79 minus the tensile, 9 minus 2, 70. So third one, this is 90, third one 10 and 12 is tensile, so 12, so 3 is compressive, so 12 minus 3, 90. Okay, so total extension of the bar is del L equal to PL divided by AE bar 1 P1 L is L1 A1, okay, E is common, okay. So P2 L2 divided by AE, P3 L3 divided by AE. So here P1 is 10 T, L is 10 mm, okay. So divided by A, area is same cross section, so A is similar, so Young's modulus of material, same material, Young's modulus E. P2 is 70 into L2 is 10 divided by AE plus P3 is 90 into 10 divided by AE. So value is, so here is, so 10 plus 7 is 17, 17 plus 9 is 26 T into 10 divided by AE. So answer is second one, okay, 26 into 10 divided by AE, okay, second one is answer. So next third one, so a bar of uniform cross section of 1 square centimeter is subjected to a set of 5 forces as shown in given figure, resulting in its equilibrium, okay, resulting in the equilibrium position, that the maximum tensile stress in kgf per centimeter square produced in the bar, okay. So first section is 1, 2, 3 and 4, totally 4 sections. So first draw the free bar diagram of figure 1 is 11, okay. So here also tensile, so 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 11. Okay, this is the one. Next free body diagram, second one is compressive nature. So 11 minus 2 is 9. Okay, here so 5 plus 10 is tensile, so 10 minus 1, so 9. Third one, okay, left side is 11, so tensile, 1 is tensile, so 12 minus 2, so 12 minus 2 means 10. So this also tensile, so 10. Okay, third one, so left side is 10, so right side is also 10, so 5 plus 5, 10. Next fourth one, free body diagram, fourth one, so left side is 11 is tensile, 1 is tensile, so 12. 5 and 2 is compressive, so 11 plus 1 is 12, 12 minus 7, 5. This is also 5. So in which section produce the maximum tensile produced in burn diagram? So 11, 1. So maximum tensile is 11. The answer is 11. Okay. Next fourth one, two identical circular rod of same diameter, same length. Okay, subject to magnitude of axial tensile force. One rod is made up of mild steel. So two rods, one is mild steel. So elasticity is modulus elasticity 206 gigapascal. Other rod is cast iron. Modulus of elasticity is 100 gigapascal. Assume both the materials to be homogeneous and isotropic. Okay, and the axial force causes the same amount of uniform stress in both rods. The stress developed are within the proportional limit of the respective materials. Which of the following observation is correct? There is the 4 observation. So deflection formula del L equal to PL divided by AE of MS equal to PL divided by AE of CI. Okay. In this del L, okay, del L direct proportional to 1 by E. So del L equal to Young's modulus. So del L MS equal divided by del L cast iron, okay, equal to Young's modulus of cast iron divided by Young's modulus of mild steel. Okay, so Young's modulus of cast iron is 100 divided by 206. Okay, so in this del L, okay, del L CI, deflection of cast iron is greater than the del L mild steel. Okay, so greater than the mild steel. So answer is cast iron rod elongate more than the mild steel rod. So answer is C. Okay. Okay. Cast iron elongation is greater than the elongation of mild steel. Okay. Next, fifth question. A steel bar of 40 into 40 mm square cross section is subject to axial compressive load of 200 kilonewton. This is the capital N. If the length of the bar is 2 meter, Young's modulus is 200 gigapascal. The elongation of the bar will be, okay, what is the elongation? So elongation formula is del L equal to PL divided by AE. So P equal to 200, length of the bar is 2 meter. So kilonewton, so 1000 into 2, okay, kilonewton. So A cross section area is so 0.04 into 0.04. Young's model is 200 into 10 power 9. Solve this one. So can get the answer of 1.25 mm. So answer is 1.25 mm. Next question is 6. A composite bar consisting of a bar enclosed inside a tube of another material, and when the compressor under a load W has a hole through rigid plates at the end of the bar, the equation of compatibility is given by suffix 1 and 2 refer to the bar and tube respectively. So which one is the condition satisfy this one? So simple one, del L equal to PL divided by AE. Okay, so different material, okay, tube and so PL divided by A to E2. So this one, okay, answer is C. Next, question 7. A tapering bar diameter of end section being D1 and D2, okay, and bar of uniform cross section D have the same length and the subject to the same axial pull load. Both the bars will have the same extension if D is equal to n one. So this is the one taper bar D1 D2. So இது என்ன பண்றாங்கன்னா converted into similar diameter. So axial pull load is same, deformation also same distance. So conditions. So conditions for in this case, so conical bar, so this answer, so equal to 4PL divided by pi E D1 by D1 into D2, okay. So PL divided by E into by D1 D2 divided by 4, okay. So PL divided by E into area. So area equal to by D1 D2 divided by 4. So same section, so by D1 by 4 D1 D2, so same section, so D equal section is equal to root of D1 and D2 is square diam, okay. So equal means D square, okay. So D square means, so D square is equal to the root of D1 D2, okay. Answer is B1. Next question 8. A deformation of a bar under its own weight as a compressor to that when they subjected to a direct axial load equal to its own weight will be அப்படின்னு கேட்குறாங்க. So the deformation bar under its own weight is del L1 equal to specific weight of L square divided by formula divided by 2E. So del L2 under axial load is specific weight L square divided by E. So ratio of del L1 divided by del L2 equal to 1 by 2. So del L1 equal to del L2 divided by 2. Okay. So ratio is half of the half. Okay. Next, ninth one. So slender bar of 100 mm cross section is subjected to loading as shown in the figure below. If the modulus of velocity is taken as 200 into 10 power 9, then the elongation produced in the bar will be. Okay. So first draw the free bar diagram. 1, 2 and 3. So one is 100 tensile, 200 and 200 is so 10 100. So one second one. So compressive. Okay, second one is compressive. 100. Okay, left side force. Third one is set tensile 100. 200 cancel, so 100 tensile. So first one is tensile, compressive and tensile. Okay. So total elongation of the bar is, so del L equal to, so area and Young's modulus, where is Young's modulus is equal. Okay, area of cross section is equal, Young's modulus same material is equal. So P force into 1, so P into L. So P first one is 100, distance is 0.5. Second one is compressive, 100 into 1. Third one is plus 100 into 0.5. So solve this one. AE. So 0.1 is 550 minus 100 plus 50. So is 0. So 0. So value is nil. Okay, the 0 value or nil. Next, 10th question. Your rigid beam of negligible weight, okay, subject to horizontal position by 2 rods of steel and copper, 2 meter and 1 meter long, having value of cross sectional areas 1 centimeter square and 2 centimeter square. Young's modulus is 200 gigapascal and 100 gigapascal respectively. A load P is applied as shown in the figure below. So steel is 2 meter, copper is 1 meter, rigid plate, so same deflection. So in this case, del L copper is equal to the del L steel. So FCU into length is, copper is 1, AE. A is 200 into Young's modulus 100. So equal to Fs into length is 2 divided by area is 1 into 200. Solve this one. So cancel. Okay, FCU copper, force of copper is equal to 2 into Fs. Okay, so Fc equal to 2 times Fs. So a force on copper rod is should be twice the force on steel. So this is answer is B. Okay, del L equal to, so in this case strain, okay, strain of copper equal to strain of steel. So E Cu equal to E steel is equal. So then only this is also equal. Okay, ratio of strain is will vary. Okay, this is not equal. Okay, so elongation is equal, strain is not equal, but elongation is equal. So why strain is not equal? So del L by change length by original. So change in length is equal, but original length is vary. Okay, 2 meter 1 meter. So strain is not equal. So but deflection is equal. Okay, so answer is B. Thank you.